tools for governance, laws, norms, architecture, and markets. The literature on corporate governance is vast, especially in the field of finance. Platform governance rules must pay special heed to externalities. The spillover benefits that users generated are the major source of platform value. Understanding this forces a shift in corporate governance from a narrow focus on shareholder value to a broader view of stakeholder value. A broader view of platform governance involves four main sets of tools: laws, norms, architecture, and market. Let's discuss some of the ways that platform managers can use these four tools as part of a governance system. Laws. The laws of a platform are its explicit rules drafted by the platform's designers to moderate behavior at both the user and ecosystem level. For example, at the user level, the Spotify rule that allows a user to download digital content among up to 5 devices prevents unlimited sharing. The laws of a platform should be transparent and encourage members to share their best insights with everyone else on the platform. And giving fast, open feedback when applying laws that define good behavior, but giving slow, opaque feedback when applying laws that punish bad behavior. Norms. One of the greatest assets any platform can have is a dedicated community. Vibrant communities are nurtured by skilled platform managers in order to develop norms, cultures, and expectations that generate lasting sources of value. These efforts established a powerful set of norms that came to govern platform. The norms like feedback, high-quality content, open engagement, and a natural role progression to greater levels of authority. Applying these norms, the community produced classic and valuable public goods. Behavior design is a recurring sequence of trigger, action, reward, and investment. The trigger is a platform-based signal, message, or alert, such as an interesting photo shows up in your Facebook newsfeed. This prompts you to click on the interesting photo, which takes you to the photo-sharing platform. The action produces a reward for you to receive: a variety of additional tantalizing, carefully curated photos selected specifically to engage your curiosity in the photo-sharing platform. Finally, the photo-sharing platform asks you to make a small investment. You may be asked to invite friends, state preferences, build virtual assets. Any of these actions will set up a new set of triggers for you and others, and the cycle starts over. Architecture. In the world of platform businesses, architecture refers basically to programming code. Well-designed software systems are self-improving. They encourage and reward good behavior, thereby producing more of the same. The most innovative forms of architectural control ever invented made is the Bitcoin digital currency that is governed by blockchain protocol. The blockchain is a distributed public ledger that enables storage of data in a container, the block, affixed to other containers, the chain. Anyone can verify that you place data in the container because it has your public signature, but only your private key can open it to see or transfer the contents. The blockchain protocol has given birth to a new kind of platform, one with open architecture and a governance model, but no central authority. It makes possible fully decentralized, completely trustworthy interactions without any need for escrow payments or other guarantees. Markets. Markets can govern behavior through the use of mechanism design and various incentives. Not money alone, but the trifecta of human motivations that may be summarized as fun, fame, and fortune. Well-designed market mechanisms can incentivize the creation and sharing of intellectual property and reduce the riskiness of interactions on the platform. Initially, Airbnb refused to indemnify hosts against bad guest behavior, and Uber refused to insure riders against bad driver behavior. Eventually, both companies realized that this refusal was hurting the growth of their platforms. Today, as we've noted, Airbnb offers its host members $1 million in homeowners protection, and Uber is partnering with insurance firms to create new types of policies to protect its drivers. Rather than seeking to minimize their own risk, platforms should use market mechanisms such as risk pooling and insurance to reduce risk for their participants and thereby maximize overall value creation. Good governance means looking after the health of one's ecosystem partners.